Missouri bound. Baker Creek, here we come. All right, y'all, it is the morning of May 3rd. We are heading over to Baker Creek. I just met up with Bowtie and Mrs. Bowtie, and I'm following him or them. If they get us lost, then hey, we're lost together. That's what I told them. Yeah, we're in Mansfield, Missouri right now, heading that way. I'm excited, and I'm even more excited to bring y'all along for the ride. Where'd you go, fool? Oh, it's right there at the top. All right, so we just parked back that way. Now we're all walking down. Just met Ben, one of the employees here. Check out that little house. Y'all, there's so much here already, and we've barely seen anything. This is so cool. We got D, Rutilation here, part of the Coast to Coast crew, Mrs. Bowtie. Dave is down here chomping at the bit to get set up. So we're walking down the hill. More to come, y'all. Baker Creek Day, for sure. Looks like there's a greenhouse kind of a deal right there. Chickens. All right, we are in production. Okay, y'all, Bowtie has just gone above and beyond. You won't believe everything he's got going today. I can't even say it all. But we're right by the speaker tent. Y'all, he's got 3 lives today. What? Yeah, I said 3 lives.
I don't know what I'm doing.
All right, y'all. So if you're wondering why this is such a big deal to me personally, is 5 years ago, 6 years ago, when I started buying seeds. This was the second company that I bought seeds from. And since then, I have always had a great germination rate from Baker Creek. I love their varieties of seeds. They're just rare seeds, literally, which is also their website, rareseeds.com. And their varieties are just amazing. That's why I like this company. I've always wanted to come here. So being here on ground is awesome for me personally as a gardener and also as a YouTuber. Now, if you look over here, Dave and Dee and Mrs. Bowtie are over there setting up for one of his 3 lives today. That blows my mind, y'all. And a employee that I met through TikTok about 4 years ago, I just met a little bit ago here in person, which again, awesome. Everybody here has been fantastic. Everyone's been super friendly and helpful. If you wonder why I've got the hoodie on, it's 40 degrees right now, so quite cold on this. I'm excited. Can you tell? Like, this is awesome. This is so awesome. Wait till I show y'all some of the other stuff that we've seen since we've been here. So, yeah. Look at him over there just getting ready. Yeah, bow tie has been at it on this, so more to come. All right, y'all. So we got 4 of the 5 that were coming today. Hold on. Now he's running away with his dog. Check it out. We got Croc Gardener in the house.
Hey everybody.
So we got D, bow tie over there going crazy.
Yep, I am.
Wave your hand up.
Hey.
There he is. Check out the setup he's got, y'all. I didn't know this, but we're gonna have all these VIPs over here. So I'm gonna go check out the festival in a little bit. But like I said, you're along for the ride.
Cardinal is just way too excited.
All right, so right now Bowtie is doing his first live of the day. The lady sitting over there is the Baker Creek seed historian here. So really cool. One of the cool things about Baker Creek, as y'all know, if you have listened to me talk about them, is the seed catalog, which is, you know, 1.5 inches thick. A lot of the seeds have stories about them, and she is one of the people that does the research on that. So this is a really cool live that he's doing. Just thought I'd show a little behind the scenes of it before we head that way and actually check out the grounds and the festival and do some more interviews with people that, if you follow Baker Creek at all on any of the social media sites, you might recognize some of them. So yeah.
Crops that Baker Creek has, some Jamaican stuff, some Caribbean stuff, but also just tropical stuff on a whole. We do a lot of the leaf seed production as well. Right. And we do a lot of
Really, really cool.
I'll tell you what you could do. You could give half to someone else and then get that.
All right, y'all, we're in the seed tent. This is where they show everything that they grow here. Check this out. And over in the corner,
Let's get Ryan first.
you gotta be kidding me, I'm blown away. These are all the social media guys. All right, y'all, so right back there is Ryan, royalty of Baker Creek, and we're about to meet Farmer Frank's right back here. If y'all watch anything on Baker Creek on any of the social medias, y'all know who that gentleman is back that way. You know what I mean? Look at that. All right, y'all, so we're still checking out this tent. Like, seriously, look around. This tent is huge. This tent is huge. We just met Ryan, Farmer Frank. Totally cool people. The vibe here is just amazing. If you got to come check this place out. We're just in one tent. This is the Baker Creek tent where they're showing everything that they grow. So all the flowers, all the vegetables, all just everything that they have seeds for is in this tent that you can actually see. Like, you know what I mean? Like, how cool is this? And it goes all the way back there, all the way that way. And Farmer Frank just said that this is the small event. The one in September is triple, quadruple this size. And y'all, there's a lot of people here. See who's behind us? Behind me? We're all filming. Dave had to step out. I don't know where Dave went. We'll have to find bow tie. I don't know where he went. But all right, we're going to continue on.
The night guy is ready. It's got full load at
I
his
think
table.
what I'm going to do is come back through once we're done with our stuff, and then like really take my time where I put the camera down and.
Oh yeah, you didn't come through the film already.
So that guy? I don't know where y'all want to go. I'm just cruising, y'all. I kind of want to go to the seed store.
Let's go.
Is it up this one?
We'll do that first. Chad, you don't need any more seeds.
I need all the seeds. I can't come to Baker Creek and not buy seeds.
I bought a new binder because of this trip. I now have 4 seed binders. I separated some things out to make space because of this trip.
Thought we lost you. Look at all the ivy on that. Man.
Just loving his life. Somehow figure this seed storage.
Oh yeah, y'all know where I'm going.
This is oh sorry.
All right, so we're entering the seed store, and it looks just like they show on all their social medias. Exact same thing. Isn't that something? You gotta be kidding me, y'all. Look at the wall of seeds. Bro, I am dumbfounded. All right, so I always say I'm a seed nerd. Y'all, I'm in like overload right now. This is nuts. Oh, this is seeds.
Website palensmith.com.
You can order his
And you
book.
can order his book.
It's talking about all the tours.
I'll save you being by me for when I make it to the White House.
I'll be your press secretary. How's that?
No, you're welcome to stay. Thanks for being
Here a little bit
Is this dried garlic scapes?
It is onion powder.
Onion powder.
yes.
Egyptian walking onion powder.
Oh, just as good.
All right, so when I drove in, saw this little house. I had to share this with everybody, y'all. This is just, there's just something else right here. So let me walk over here without getting ran over. Well, let me just turn the camera around. So those are some of the grow tents or the greenhouses down that way. But look at this little house right here. I showed it in the intro when we pulled in. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to walk up to it because it looks like people live there. But look how cool that house looks. Let me zoom in. Just super unique, totally cool. I love it. So we're gonna walk back in and check out more of what's going on. Just had to show you all that house. All right, y'all, so I'm starting to wrap up the time here. Starting to get everything loaded. Still gonna walk around a little bit, but y'all, this has been absolutely amazing time out here. The people, the staff here, just everybody. The love of gardening that you can feel out here from everybody here has just been fantastic. I don't really know any other way to say that. They are having, if you've never been up here, I suggest at some point you try coming up here if you're a gardener. If you're not a gardener, you're not into the outdoors, you're not going to enjoy this. Let's just be real. The tents though, they have vendors selling everything you can imagine. A lot of not just gardening stuff, but all kinds of different handcrafted stuff, things of that nature. This has just been truly an amazing time. Totally worth the drive up, in my opinion. So I'm gonna sign off. Y'all have a blessed day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you got something out of it. If nothing else, I hope I've inspired, or we have inspired y'all to come up, check out the place, check out one of their festivals. If you happen to be driving somewhere in Missouri and you see a sign for Baker Creek, do a detour. It's kind of out here in the middle of nowhere, Missouri, but it's worth coming out here, especially if you're a seed nerd like we all are. So on that note, y'all take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you, your gardens, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Back in Texas. Bye.